Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing how we can handle error in Excel VBA. For that I will be using two examples. In the first example I will be finding the inverse of a number. The code for that I have written. I will just copy the code and paste here. I will explain you this code by executing it line by line. So first I am declaring two variables x and y as integers. Now if I encounter any error during the execution of code, it will take us to the place out where I have written the code for the error. Now I am asking the user to enter a number to 0. Now here I am finding the inverse of 0 which will throw me an error, and it will take me to the place I have written the code for error. So this message box will contain the number for error and the description of error. So the number for error is 11 and the description says division by 0. Now if the number for error equals to 11, it will add 1 to that number, and if is complete. Now this will resume the code. So it will take us to the place where we found the error in our code. And now it will find the inverse of 1, which is 1, and then exit sub. Now it is important to write exit sub. If we do not write exit sub, then it will start executing the code that we have written for error, and we do not want that. So we have written exit sub and the code is complete. Now in the second example, I want to find the square root of the list of numbers that I have provided over here, and the code for that I have written. Let me just copy this code and paste here. Now I will explain you this code by executing it line by line. So first I am declaring cell and RNG as range. Now if there is any error in the code, then it will take us to the place where I have written the code for the error. Now I am giving the range to RNG, which is A1 to A6. Now this for loop will find the square root of all the numbers that are there in the range, and it will not able to find the square root of negative number. So we have got the error, and it will take us to the place where we have written the code for the error. Now this is a case, and it will check for the error number, and it will give us a message. The message says the number is negative in the range A3. OK, and select and resume next. And in A4 I have entered the text, and so I have got the error. And the message says text is entered in range A4. And select and resume next. And it will start executing the code for other cells. And exit sub. So in this video I have discussed how we can handle error in Excel VBA. Thank you.